Dumpster rental service in Goldsboro, North Carolina. Do you need a dumpster rental service in Goldsboro, North Carolina? Dumpster Pro North Carolina is a trusted name in waste removal, offering affordable and reliable dumpster rentals. Whether you're cleaning out your basement, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect solution. Our dumpsters are designed to be driveway safe and easy to load. We offer multiple dumpster sizes, making finding the right one for your needs easy. Our rentals are ideal for residential and commercial customers in Goldsboro, North Carolina. At Dumpster Pro North Carolina, we value your time and convenience. That's why we offer a simple, hassle-free rental process. Our pricing is straightforward, with no hidden fees. We care for everything, from delivering the dumpster to hauling it away when you're finished. We know every project differs, so we offer flexible rental periods that fit your schedule. Whether you need a dumpster for a day, a week, or longer, we've got you covered. Our team is dedicated to providing fast, friendly service to help keep Goldsboro, North Carolina, clean. Big or small, we haul it all. Call Dumpster Pro North Carolina today at 984-341-2939 for a cleaner, clutter-free Goldsboro.